guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all few products that work really well, especially if you have like oily and acne prone skin type. So the first and most important ingredient that you should definitely include in your skincare routine is salicylic acid. So salicylic acid, which is also known as a BHA, is basically an active that has the ability to exfoliate the topmost layer of your skin. It also helps to purify your pores as well as remove the dead skin cells. And not just this, it also helps to break down acne and pimples and also reduce sebum secretion. And that is why most of the dermatologists recommend using salicylic acid, especially if you have like oily and acne prone skin type, because apart from these amazing benefits, it also helps in reducing blackheads and also helps to reduce the acne scars. And the product that I would highly recommend you do try out, especially if you have like oily and acne prone skin type, is the L'Oréal Paris Crystal Gel Cream. So this gel cream is the latest addition to the existing crystal range, which I'm sure you guys must have already tried out. Now the reason why I was so excited for this new launch is because this cream does contain salicylic acid in it, and currently there are no like major salicylic acid creams currently available in the market. And also because I had already tried out their crystal micro essence in the past and I've absolutely loved it. That is why the inclusion of a cream in the same range was very exciting. So the crystal gel cream has a beautiful water-based oil-free formulation that locks in moisture without building up on excess oil that would eventually lead to breakouts. It's also very lightweight and comfortable on the skin. So basically the skin has tiny holes called as pores, and one releases sweat and the other releases sebum, which is body's natural oil. And oily skin is more prone to acne and pores, so the cream is specially suitable for people who have combination to oily skin type. Also the crystal gel cream can penetrate up to 10 layers deep and deeply refine, purify and minimize the size of pores for crystal clear skin, and also help to control oil for up to 8 hours. So for application, start off by taking 3 to 4 drops of the crystal micro essence on your palms and gently dab it on your face. And next take a pea-sized amount of the crystal gel cream and massage it all over your face. So this cream is also clinically and dermatologically tested, and it is also free from parabens, colorants, synthetic dyes, and is also non-comedogenic. So with the combined use of both the essence as well as the crystal gel cream, you are sure to get crystal clear skin. The gel cream is also validated and endorsed by renowned dermatologist Dr. Ophelia, who herself is a highly experienced, award-winning consultant dermatologist with expertise in general and cosmetic dermatology. So this cream is currently available in 2 different sizes. So you can try out the 15 ml version first and see for yourself how it works for your skin, and then you can buy the fuller version. The links to these products are mentioned in the description box below, so please make sure you are checking the description box. The next ingredient is niacinamide. So again, niacinamide helps to soothe breakouts. It also helps to keep the skin clear and also reduces sebum production. And the niacinamide product that I would highly recommend is this one by One Thing. So this is the One Thing Niacinamide 10% Serum. So niacinamide, which is also known as vitamin B complex, is a brightening component, and it serves as an antioxidant as well as it reduces the oxidative stress caused by UV rays. It also helps to increase ceramide synthesis, which results in a healthier skin barrier and well hydrated skin. It also helps to fade dark spots, wrinkles, and also manage the skin texture. And like you can see, this is like a huge bottle, so this is literally going to last you for ages. I like using this all over my body also because I do have a lot of marks on my hands and feet, so I also apply this all over my body because the quantity is so huge, right? So you can easily use this all over your body as well as on your face. Also niacinamide as well as salicylic acid can be used together because both of them work really well, especially if you have like oily and acne prone skin type. And the third product is Pimple Patches. Even though I have like dry and sensitive skin type, when I'm like nearing my periods, I often get 1 or 2 pimples, and that is when I use these pimple patches. There are different kind of pimple patches available in the market, and you can buy one that suits your budget. So how does pimple patch actually work? So pimple patch, basically you have to apply on your acne, and it helps to kind of like shield it from the external dirt and bacteria. So it basically helps to shield it from external dirt and bacteria, and also it helps to minimize the size of the acne by drying it out. So again, I would highly recommend you do try out this Nykaa Pimple Patch. So yeah guys, those were the 3 products that I would highly recommend you do try out, especially if you have like oily and acne prone skin type. So I have also mentioned the links to these products in the description box below, so please make sure you are checking the description box. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.